Hi Meredith and team. I'm just going to show you what I'm experiencing on my computer, and Anitra and Jamie, if you wouldn't mind checking the PDFs and from your end, that would be great. Okay, so when I hover here, the links show, so I know the links are accurate. Obviously when I click here, it's going to take me to the website and removes me from the orientation. If I back arrow, I go back into the orientation, but if students proceed through the steps for some reason, they just know how to do it, they won't be able to get back to the orientation very easily. And then, so download, if I just open it, oh, and then it opened on my other screen, so let me slide that over. You can see that it's not showing you the message in this window, but it says Acrobat does not allow connection to, and then it gives www.frontrange.edu, and there's a help selection and an OK selection. So it's not even recognizing all of the website. It's just saying frontrange.edu. The email works fine, my Outlook opens, but the links are not working. If I try to save it to my computer, same thing happens, so I'm just gonna and then I open that and it opened on my other screen, so let me slide that over. Same thing, it's not going to take me to the website. It gives me that same security block, so it's a security block. So just wanted you guys to see what's happening, and I will see if I can fix my PDF so that security block isn't happening. But I'm wondering if the security block is happening because it's been uploaded into the platform and then downloaded again. So I'm not sure if my document changes will fix anything, Meredith. So if you want to check with your technical team about what might be happening to the links, the embedded links, once the PDF is embedded in your platform, because I think there might be something going on there. Okay. Well, I will work on this today to see what I can figure out, and I look forward to talking to you guys on Thursday. Thanks.